In this video, I'm going to show how to buy GTA 5 on Steam. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to have a Steam app to your computer or laptop. You can also do this process on your phone. I use a computer, but you can use any other device. So enter on Steam, log into your accounts, and you need to check if you have money into your Steam wallet. You can buy GTA 5 with the money of your Steam wallet, or you can also use a credit card and something like that, okay, PayPal, etc. Now to buy GTA 5, click right here on Story at the top left corner, come on search, and search Grand Theft Auto 5. So click. Here you can see that I already have GTA 5, but you just need to click, okay, to add to your cart. I will click on this one just for example, but you need to click on GTA 5, okay. You can also select the Premier Edition, or if you don't want, just buy the GTA 5, normal GTA 5. So click, you will see that you add it to your cart, so click right here. In my case, I will remove this one. And you can see that I don't have the option to purchase because I already have this game. So I will select other game just to show the process. Okay, add the cart, purchase for myself. And right here you can select the payment method. Okay, in my case it is my Steam wallet. So if you want to change, just click change, and right here you will see several options of payment methods. You can use Steam wallet, PayPal, credit cards, and so on. Okay, so click on continue, mark this option, and click to purchase. If you selected other payment method, you need to put your personal information to buy GTA 5. After doing that, you will buy the game, click on Deep and search Grand Theft Auto. There you will see that you already bought GTA 5 on Steam. I hope I helped you how to buy GTA 5 on Steam. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.